on the Cog Railway, New Hampshire. I don't know what town I'm in, it doesn't matter. We're climbing to the top of Mount Washington. 6 miles an hour top speed. If you ever get on the train, you'll notice right away that the seats are angled. Just letting you know, quite eerily at some point in the journey, you're going to be at a very tumultuous angle. The seats are actually on a down angle of about 20 degrees. And they're uncomfortable. Very nice, but uncomfortable. Of course, at some point on the journey, the seats are going to become comfortable, because when you get to the slope, you're going to fit in your seat just right.